Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting a discount coupon code video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% off. So what you have to do is just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount based video, link in the mention in the description of this video, you will be led to a page like this where you can see 85% off. But if you follow my tutorial, you can save as much as up to 95% off. So once you click on the link in the description, and then once you have landed over here, you can either simply select the claim deal and move on to the plans, or follow my journey on. I'm going to explain you why HostingGrid is the best choice. So once you land over here, after clicking on the link in the description, scroll below, look around first of all on the reviews. 63,000 reviews for hosting on Trustpilot, and if you look around on the reviews, 4.7 is the average ratings. But if you scroll below and look around at the reviews, so almost all of the reviews are 5-star reviews and looks very tempting. But the best thing is that all of the plans are covered with 30 days money back guarantee, which is another amazing feature regarding this. So in order to grab your discount, scroll below. First of all, HostingGrid also provided with HostingGrid website builder. You can create easily your website within minutes through it. And HostingGrid also supports WordPress. So if you want to create a website on WordPress, you can simply use HostingGrid control panel, H panel, and you can create your website through the auto installer. HostingGrid also have a migrate to HostingGrid service. So in case if you're coming from another hosting company to HostingGrid, HostingGrid is a dedicated migration service, and that too free of cost. So whether you have a single website or 100 website, HostingGrid website migration service is going to cover it. HostingGrid also supports AI with HostingGrid Horizon, where you just have to go give the command, it's automatically going to create a website. And scroll below, 10 million plus people are using HostingGrid as their primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. And now in order to grab it, scroll below, and these are the made with HostingGrid websites, and these are all of the plans. Now all of the plans are covered with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence because all of the plans cover 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support, and you can cancel anytime. So do your research, and I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount on all of the plans. If you ask me which plan is the best, I recommend the premium or business plan. They have almost everything which you may need it, and you don't have to spend much on it because they are economical as well. So if you have to host multiple websites, go with a business plan with up to 50 websites. And if you just have to host 1 or 2 websites, the premium plan is equally good, but you can create up to 3 websites. So once you are done with your plan, simply select the choose plan with any of the plan to get as much as up to 95% discount. So once you select the choose plan to get your discount, you will be landed to another page over here where you can see your premium plan. So now HostingGrid offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. But these are special exclusive discount prices for my audience, so I want you to take the maximum advantage of it. So my recommendation is to offer the 48 months so you can save the maximum amount of money, but you can also opt for the other plans as well. You're also getting free domain as well, and 3 extra months free hosting with this order as well. So you can get your free domain right now by writing over here. For instance, I'm going to write my free domain over here, and I can claim it right now over here, or later on as well through the HostingGrid control panel, also known as H panel. But keep in mind the free domain name is only valid for your first year. So once you're done with the research, you can claim your free domain right now over here or later on as well. After this, see your order summary over here. And now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing discount coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here, and you're going to see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another coupon code as well. You can use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount at HostingGrid. So you can see your price got a further discount. Your 30 days money back guarantee is also valid over here. Now select the continue and move on to the last part of HostingGrid. So now you can see your order summary over here. Order summary, your premium plan, coupon code is applied, 30 days money back guarantee is valid on it. So now you can see your billing address over here. If everything is fine over here, now write your billing details over here and move on to the last part to get this amazing discount deal from HostingGrid. So HostingGrid offers you a variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay via credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, and crypto payment. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience. If you ask me my recommendation, I recommend you that you can opt anyone, and it's very easy process. So it's nothing difficult in this. So let's say we're going with the credit card, where credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. And once you do it, within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hosting with all of your hosting account details. So just for a revision, if you are looking to buy your hosting, no doubt hosting is one of the best hosting in the town, and I'm here with a special discount deal. So once you click on the link in the description for the discount, you will be landed to a page, and follow the tutorial as I have told you, and use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount from Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger with this amazing discount. Good luck.